Hello, it's Marcus McCurry again. What I'm standing in front of is a 6-foot tall board-on-board fence. So this right here is a great option if you want total privacy in your backyard. 6-foot tall board-on-board is excellent as far as privacy. There's no way to see in, there's no way to see out. We're gonna put a 3.5-inch space between these boards underneath here, and we're gonna put a 6-inch overlay over the top. So your board's gonna overlay 6 inches over a gap underneath here that's 3.5 inches. So what's going to happen is if this board does shrink a little bit, we're going to have total privacy no matter what. Up above me is our top cap and trim option. And on this run of fence right here, we're dealing with a lot of elevation change. I'll show you here in just a second. And with that elevation change, we're dealing with some issues as far as how to make the top of this fence look great and substantial and make it look like it's relevant versus it actually following the grade. So you're gonna notice the top of this fence is completely run level. The bottom of the fence is where we contour. We're gonna put a 2x6 pressure treated pine at the bottom, and we're gonna let this fence basically flow with the grade underneath. So when we say step and level, we're technically going to cut the top of these pickets and create a step and level solid look at the top of your fence. You want the top of your fence to look correct, not necessarily the bottom. The bottom is gonna flow with the grade. Thanks.